Hello friends, welcome to Learn Instrumentation. Today we are going to discuss PID controller. PID controller is an important instrument, so video is going to be very helpful for you. So don't skip the video. Let's begin. Now look friends, PID controller means P for proportional, I for integral, and D for derivative. So PID controller full form is proportional integral derivative controller. PID controllers control various parameters and processes automatically. Here various parameters means pressure, temperature, level, flow, etc. So if we want to control any of the parameter, we will use a PID controller, and along with this PID controller we will use a sensor. If we are controlling the pressure, then we will use pressure transmitter. If we are controlling the temperature, then we will use temperature sensor, RTD or thermocouple. If we are controlling the level, we will use level sensor or level transmitter, DP type pressure transmitter. If we are controlling the flow, we will use flow transmitter, flow meters as sensors. Now look friends, a parameter controlled by a sensor is shown as PV. Here you can see PV is written, and this comes from a sensor. Okay, this one is set point. Set point is a point, or you can say set point is a value at which we need to control the variable. It is also known as set value. Now the third one is this. It is output, and it is CV. CV means control variable. Okay, control variable is also known as manipulated variable. And its short form is MV. Here you can see MV is written. So sometimes you will see CV is written, and sometimes you will see MV is written. So it is the output of PID controller, and this output of PID controller is given to any actuator. In actuator, we will use control valve, motor, etc. Look friends, if you want the PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. Look friends, PID controller will look like this. It is used as hardware, or it is used in software. So if we are using the hardware based PID controller, then we will use this type of PID controller and this type of PID controller. And if we are using software based PID controller, then we will use this type of PID controller. This type of PID controller is inbuilt in SCADA. PID controller works in mainly two modes. The first one is A, that means auto mode, and the another one is M, that is manual mode. In auto mode, PID controller works totally in auto. Here you can see A is written. If it will work in manual mode, then M will written here. Or in this type of PID controller, you can select auto and manual from here. In some PID controllers, you will find A is written, M is written. In some PID controllers, you will find only M is written for manual mode and nothing is written for auto mode. So it will depend on the type of PID controller. The basic difference between auto mode and manual mode is that in auto mode, you will find this MV or CV value is increasing and we will set the set point. According to this set point, this MV or CV is increased and it will work in auto mode. But in manual mode, we will manually set the output for control, manually open or close a control valve. In these type of PID controllers, you will find output percentage is shown here. Here percentage output is shown here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That means 50% output is given to any control valve or to any motor to increase the RPM or to decrease the RPM. Here 10.6% output is provided to any control valve or any motor. Look friends, when we work in any industry, we will find a SCADA there, we will find a PLC and we will find some actuators and sensors. Here we will also find PID controller. But if we are using SCADA, these PID controllers are inbuilt. Here you will find some blocks are shown and these blocks are for PID controller. Here one important point, you can note it down. One PID controller is used for one process only. One PID controller is used to control only one parameter. So if we want to control various parameters, we will use the various PID controllers like this and this. Here we are using a PID controller for pressure control. This is for pressure control. Here we are using PID controller for level control. Similarly, we will use the PID controller for temperature control, level control and flow control. So these all PID controllers will inbuilt here. And in all PID controllers, you can set point from the SCADA. And if we are maintaining the process in manual mode, so we can also maintain this process in manual mode by using the SCADA.